there was some technical issues, but we're back now. We're back. Let me check. Oh no. There was a technical issue, but I'm back. Here is the link. Yeah, man, I don't like when this happens. I don't like when this happens, Alex. I apologize, bro. I apologize, everyone. I think my internet connection just disconnected, just like that. So this is the issue when you are living in a third world country. You get this a lot when you are living in a third world country. This happens actually more often. When I was living in Dubai, this never happened. It never happened when I was in Dubai, and I was in other countries as well. But in here, oh, it's tough. Oh wow, look at this nice closure. Look at this nice closure, guys. So now probably we are waiting for a little bit, not a little bit, we are waiting for a support. We need a little support to be formed so we can buy. Take the buys in order for us to keep moving to the upside. Look at that. Will be insane. I think now we have a clean range to move to the upside. Buys above, sells below. But the thing is that 30-minute, oh yeah, actually sells is valid anywhere in this range right here. Sells is valid anywhere inside this range. Wherever this candle can create a very nice strong resistance, we will be looking for sells. Look, scenario number 2, if we got a nice resistance. Otherwise, we will be waiting for a support for buys. Yep, and that's pretty much it, and nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Thank you Zainab and Alex. It's very, very interesting and fun actually to do this live stream, because before I was waiting for hours and hours, not talking with anyone with like these ideas in your mind, and you're just, man, it's actually boring to trade alone. So we now waiting for bearish candle to bang. Yep, I think so. We are waiting for exactly something like this. Scenario number 2, as most of the votes was for scenario number 2, because as you can see here, we have a very big and clean range to the left hand side. Look at that, about 300 pip range. So now imagine, just imagine this 15-minute candle closed bearish like this. Wouldn't you take the sells? Wouldn't you? So yeah, preferably below this area would be better, but now we have this clean range, you know, and I believe if we got this candle, yeah, definitely to bang. Yeah, interesting. Otherwise, for the buys, we need a support to be formed. We need a support to be formed somewhere. Support to be formed, yes. It's good that you are patient, guys, didn't take anything. It's actually very, very, I don't know if you take or not, but waiting is what pays you in the trading industry. Waiting what pays you. There is no such an industry, there is no such a job that you just sit and wait like this, sit and wait and you will get money. There is no such a thing, not even similar to it. Maybe a security guard, but doesn't pay that much. Repair fed outlook. Let's check real quick if there is, unless you are a security guard and you're watching the cameras. Alright, this is the soybean. What's that? Trump says Fox may not approve Taiwan weapons. What the F? So I don't know how is that affecting gold. I want China to cool down. So probably that means it says may not. Man, what the F is this guy talking about? This is very confusing right now. He's a confused guy and he's confusing us with him. Full margin. No, definitely not full margin, at least not today. If it was Thursday, Wednesday, yeah, we could go full margin. But today, I don't think it's a good idea to do that. It's Friday today. Because if you blew your account on Friday, you will be sad for the rest of the week. But on Tuesday, Wednesday, at least you can revenge trade, you know? But if today you cannot revenge trade tomorrow, you will be weeping and crying all day. So yeah, it's better to wait. Where is Abdullah at? Abdullah is the master of full margining. Abdullah is the master. Oh wow, look at that. Some bullshit. 300 pips, wow. Alright, so this candle is moving up smoothly, nicely. Yeah. Check the 1 hour candle. 1 hour also looks good. If we can get probably a closure above this area, then we can take the buys right away, because it's only clean range to the left hand side, at least till this wick fill. Very clean range above that area. Otherwise we'll be waiting for some sort of a support to be formed, and then we will take that trade. Hi, I'm back. Welcome Roshan. I missed you already, man. I missed you. Where have you been? Where did you disappear? Welcome to the live stream again. So I had this idea about writing my first 100 loyal viewers. I will write your name down, and in a year or two there is gonna be something for you guys. In a year or two, let me write it in the notebook, in my notebook, so I will keep you in mind. Overextended impulse counter. Yep. So I'm going to write some of your names, especially Alex, Roshan. I went to mosque for Isha. Man, God bless you, bro. This is a very, very good that you are praying, because actually praying is very, very important. If you want to be successful in your life and successful in trading, man, you have to pray. You have to have faith in God. It doesn't matter like which God you believe in. I don't know about different people who have different religion, but you should believe that God is there and pray, you know. It's very, very good, very helpful with your mindset, and it actually helped me a lot in my life, and also in the bad times. In the bad times more than the good times. Helped me massively, guys. It has an insane amount of value. You cannot imagine. You don't know it even yet. So a lot of people, they say you have to meditate and meditate, but for Muslim people, praying is our meditation. Praying is our meditation. So yeah, we have we have 15-minute candle closure in about how many seconds is that? Minutes. All right, in about 18 what? In about 3 minutes. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh wow, holy. Oh wow. Look at that. It's still right here, guys. Still right here. I didn't delete it because of that. I was expecting it to move. Oh wow. This is very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. So yeah, look, it's right here. Right here. Didn't delete it for this reason. But let's hope it's close below this range, and also there is something that we have a lot of rejections from here, but it's about 100 pip. It's about 100 pips, so I'm sure we can move our stops to break even before that happens. Oh wow. 17 minutes left for the hourly candle closure. 17 minutes. Probably we should wait. Probably. Because of one reason, which is the 4-hour candle, it didn't close below. That means we are a little bit bullish right here. We are a little bit bullish. Yep, as you can see, whenever price have rejected, it went and retapped this area at least once. Whenever price tend to change direction, it tapped this area twice before it changes the direction. Same idea, waiting for a long top wick, small body, bearish candle. Yup, exactly. That's a very good idea. I think it's worth to take the risk if it closed something like that. Like our plan. This was our plan since the beginning. Something like that. Alright, about 27 seconds, 25, just 20 seconds left on the candle, guys. 20 seconds left. So, oh wow, it didn't close below. It didn't close below like I was expecting. Didn't close below. Interesting. Interesting. Oh wow, now it's moving bearish. So, it's okay, it's fine, guys. No need to panic. No need to be mad or something, because in about soon, like it's very, very soon. How many minutes is that? How many minutes? In about 14 minutes. 14 minutes, probably going to get a nice closure. And this time it's the 1 hour and the 30-minute and the 15-minute. So if we can get this candle on the 30-minute, it's way much better, way much better, and has actually a higher win rate percentage than the 15-minute, because the 30-minute time frame is a higher time frame, which give us a better confirmation. Something like this. At least grab this, take out the previous week. Oh wow, will be awesome, will be absolutely awesome. No need to rush to impulse entries and all of this stuff, because man, this is not, I believe it will not help you with your journey that much. I came to you from the future. I came to you from the future, and that's why I'm telling you this now. Alright, so there is some news. Trump, I didn't agree to stop firing with Iran, but we did this for Pakistan. What? Oh my god, man, this guy is like very conflicting with himself. He never leaves any something for sense. Yeah, but the next one, if closed bearish, makes sense. Definitely. How are you, brothers? Pawan, perfect. Need because it is a doji. Yup. Better let's wait for the 30-minute. 100%. Roshan, this is a very good idea, my friend. As I said, it's better to wait for the 30-minute. Why wouldn't you wait for an extra layer of confirmation? If you have this, take advantage of it. Take advantage of the confirmation that price is giving us. Oh wow, I like now what I'm seeing. I like that. So it's better to wait for a closure, probably below here. So above there, if it was like right here, let's look at the 30-minute. If it was just here like that, you cannot full port your account. But if it closed below this line right here, you can full port. Closure below equals full port. No guys, this is, don't take it serious, especially Abdullah. Does it have space? But closure below here, sells, closure, not full port. You take a small risk. Yup, small risk. Exactly, that's perfect. That's very nice. I like it. I like it how it makes much more sense. Because it's doji. Yes, the 30-minute candle closure, definitely very good idea. Till now this week, 3 trades, 3 win. I am happy, even I didn't get any trades today. Quality over quantity, 100%. Roshan, I totally agree with that. 100% quantity over quality over quantity, definitely. So imagine in the whole week you just take one trade, one super good trade. You take one trade, but instead of risking 1 to 2%, you're just risking 3 or 4% on one trade, and it's a win. For example, you win 1 to 1, let's say you win 3%, instead of taking 5 or 6 or 7 trades per week, and you still stuck at the same place. After 7 to 10 trades per week, You are just up 3%, which you could have taken just from 2 trades or 1 trade. So that's why in this industry it matters a lot, the quality, yes, quality over quantity. Oh wow, it looks like we are going to get a closure below. Looks like it. Oh, also the 1 hour is going to close. So if the 1 hour closed below, this also an indication, and it will confirm us that this wants to move down. But if the 1 hour closed above, I don't think it's a good idea. Let's wait and see. It depends actually on many things, the wick and the body of the candle. Yep, so let's see. Yeah, it can also, so there is another probability that it can also next 15 can create a support right here. Create a support, something similar to this right here. If it, this is if it didn't close below. Can create a support in order to move to the upside. Green. Yeah, this can happen also on the next 15-minute candle. So better to wait, be patient. Only 6 minutes left on the candle to close. There is just 6 minutes left, so no need to rush. No need to jump into something that will cause you to lose. So there is 6 minutes left. So while we are waiting for this candle closure, let's do something fun. There was a word game that it's very, very nice and enjoyable. You can help me with this and we can do it together. So it's basically guess the word. We need to guess this word. Guess the hidden word in 6 attempts. So let me start with the first one. And alright, so this word, it has 5 letters. There is letter R and letter E in this word. So you have to guess it. You have just six chances to guess the word while we are waiting for this candle to close. Of course, rare. You can rares. Okay, so the first letter is R and we have E and S in somewhere right there. If you have any ideas or suggestion, let me know in the comments below. Oh wow, what a rejection. Look at that candle moving now. So, oh, very small range. So the 1 hour is going to close in about 4 minutes. This is very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Ready, is that a 5 word, 5 letters? Ready. Oh wow, Roshan, nice job. Actually, ready, you discovered the second letter. So this word, it starts with R and E. This is correct. Oh man, I think you know this game. You probably played it before. So we have E and S, but E is not here and E is not here. That's mean it's R E E, and we have S. I think I got the word, guys. I believe I got the word. Yeah, I think I found it already. I think I found it. Let me check. Oh wow, this candle is moving nicely. Moving very nicely. If this candle can close above this area right there, will be very good for buys. Very good for buys. Reals. Oh shit. It's not correct? What? But the S is correct. Man, I am shocked. I thought it was the right word. Now it says it's not the right word. It's not reals. What could it be? Try to guess, guys, in the comments what could be the right word. Oh wow, I think this have a good chance now to continue moving to the upside. But we cannot take buys here because it's a choppy to the upside. Because buys here we have this resistance and then we have this resistance. So yeah, it's tough to take buys, and price already moved. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green candles already. 5 green 15-minute candles. So let's wait now for the 1 hour candle closure, and then probably I will do a fresh and final top down analysis. Fresh and final. Alright, what could be this word? Any suggestions? Alright, no help from the chat. So we have R and E. There is S letter. Research? No. Resell. Alright, that's a wrong word. There is no L. No ADY. So what about resolve? No, it's a lot. Come on guys, word from 5 letters. Reefs. So here there is no E letter, bro. The E, there is no E. So the green letter, that means the place is correct. The yellow letter, that means there is this letters is correct in the word. The gray one means there is no another E, no A, no D, no L, like that. So it's not double E for sure. It can be risk, maybe risks. What? Oh no, it's RE, risks RI. Alright, so we'll keep this in mind. I can give up, but let's wait probably for this candle. Oh wow, it just closed inside the range. Wow. Tough. So I know it's a little bit tough, but if we can get a one final candle that's closed below, I'm going to be looking for sells right here. Otherwise, I think I'm going to call it pretty much soon in the next 1-2 candles. Yep, we are gonna yes, as I was saying, probably either we will take buys above or sells below. Yep, something like that. Going to wait for another just one 30-minute candle and probably gonna call it a day. Today. Yep. Alright, so you guys can help me with this word till we get the next candle. Alright, Alex is done for the day. Man, this is very amazing. I like your spirit. It's very good, but because I didn't take any trades today and I didn't trade Asian, London is the only session I'm trading, and I think we have more time. I think around 30 minutes for volume, right? Let me check the volume if we have more 30 minutes or so. Yup, in 30 minutes we have London, and it's London close, so we probably going to have some volume in the next 30 minutes or so. So if we can get a trade in the next 30 minutes or so, it is going to be nice. Otherwise, better to just call it a day, like Alex. So what do you think is this word? Repay? Repay. Oh dang, that's not, it's wrong actually. It's wrong. It is wrong. We have one more chance. Resort, no, not resort. Alright, I will keep it for at least this candle till we get a candle closure right here. Oh wow, look at these big ranges. Above there would be perfect for buys. Not perfect, but it's going to be good. We have a wick to fill, and probably if we can get one red candle below this range will be nice, still nice. We need a nice top wick as well. Yeah, so just going to wait for react, refer. No bro, there is S. So there is letter S somewhere here. In this last three letters, there is the letter S. React. I don't think it's correct. Reuse. I think this is the word. Oh shoot, I lost. Ah, this was the answer, guys. This was the answer. I don't think I would ever expect it. Reason, resign. What does this word mean? For real, what does this word mean? That's a scientific word, guys. It's a scientific word, so yeah, but good job, good job. Appreciate the efforts. It was a nice try. Was a nice try. Look at Nasdaq now. Can this candle move, break this low and move down again? It's going to be interesting if it actually did that. Can this candle break the low and move to the downside? I'm not taking a trade, guys. Be careful. I'm not entering into this. I'm just anticipating it. I just would like to see what price will do here. Not taking a trade, just forward testing. It's called forward testing. Oh wow. Can it broke the law now? Could it break the laws? Yeah man, it's a little bit slow movement. I think there was some news. Alright. President Trump says US made fantastic trade deals with China. Very little due to Iran war. I thought it would go up more. Man, this President Trump is a big joke. Yep. I think so. Alright, look at this guys, it's breaking its previous low. Do you think this trade is going to hit the target or no? Tell me, let me know what do you think in the chat, if it's going to hit the target or no. Oh wow, now I think we are kinda in on the paper trading, on this forward testing. So don't be jumping into the trade, and then when it's lost you will be blaming and crying and all this good stuff. Yeah, it's a little bit tough. So there is just about how many minutes left for the 30 minute? About 20 minutes. Yeah, this is gonna be the final and last 20 minutes for the week. This 20 minutes is gonna be the last and the final. There is no any more 10, 15 after that. So you also, believe me, you should just call it a day like how Alex did. I think this was an amazing decision to call it a day. It's always the best decision, just to not take a trade, not if your setup didn't show. Alright, this is running. Let's wait for gold. Gold is a little bit slow now, a little bit slow. So this is what I'm waiting for right now on my time. Look at this green circle. So this green circle represents volume from London and Frankfurt and Moscow session closure. It's going to close, and most of the traders in these 4 countries, they are going to close their positions. Most of them, they're probably closed by now, but I believe a lot of them, they are going to close their position for the week, and we are going to see some volume. We are going to see some volume whenever they will close their position. So yeah, that's why I am waiting for how many minutes? Yep, about 20 more minutes, and we can call it a day, just like that. Oh wow, oh wow, look at that. It just stopped us out, just like that. Stopped us out. Oh wow, I didn't see that 1 hour. Oh, this is actually similar to gold. It's a little bit similar. We moved down, now we approached strong support area, but this candle closed below, not like gold. Oh wow, look at that. Just grab the low and then boom, right to the stop loss. Let's see if the stop loss was there. Will it respect the previous high? Let's see. I am wondering. Alright, there is about 4 minutes left for this 15-minute candle. 4 minutes left. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, my apologize. Just 3 minutes left for the 15-minute candle closure. Hopefully it's going to be an interesting closure, because yeah, I'm getting bored out of these boring closures inside blah 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 blah. It's like doesn't make sense. Oh wow, look at this. So it still didn't break the high yet. But what was the high stop loss? I am wondering. Doesn't make a lot of sense, but yeah, a little bit logical. 30 minutes, not top week. Even the 15, there is no top week. Tough guys. Also 1 hour closed bullish. I think for sells it's not gonna be nice. We need some nice crazy candle. So this candle grabbed liquidity already from this candle, so it have a clear range to move to the upside now, but I don't see any upside movement. So if this 15 can close red, this 15-minute candle can close red, and then the next one close above this range, probably we'll be looking for something, probably, because by that time this 1 hour candle will be creating a steeper bottom wick. And yeah, if it broke this high after a closure, probably we'll be looking to fill. We need something similar to this candle. Look at this candle, beautiful candle. This one right here, not the red one, the green one. This one right there, look, this one. This is a very beautiful candle. If we can get something that looks similar to that, oh man, I'd be very happy to take the trade. Yup, this is 160 pip on one 15-minute candle. So yeah, if I can get something like this green candle, we'll be looking for buys, definitely. Ready reefs, I am done. No good price action, better stay away. You are also right, Roshan. I think this is your decision, and it's absolutely the right decision. It's never bad to stay away, but as I said, I'm going to wait another 15 minutes and then we'll call it a day when this 30-minute candle close, this next 30-minute candle. Yeah, after the 30-minute candle closure, let's see if it's going to close nicely below or above, and yeah, probably gonna call it. Here sells is risky because it can come till this range and boom, reject. Yeah, it's very negative risk to reward ratio, so it's not a good idea. It's Friday and already 11 p.m. passed in US. Oh really? Is that so? Let me check time in NY. Oh wow, this is really true. It's 11 passed already. Oh wow, I didn't know that. But yeah, it's still interesting. So after this 15-minute candle, yeah, probably gonna call it. Probably. because it's getting very much slow right now. And yeah, that's what I said, that's what I'm going to do, and yeah, call it a day. Yeah, the rest of the guys, you also should probably call it a day with us, you know, because Alex and Roshan, they are smart traders. That's what I can say about them, because they know when to stop. Have an amazing weekend, Roshan. I wish you the best. Have a good night and an amazing weekend. Take care, bro. Take care. Yep. Yeah, man, it's tough. It's tough. I hate when price action does that. I hate when it's moving very slowly, so it doesn't make a sense. You guys should yeah, wait for a closure or call it a day. So I'm just waiting for the next 15-minute candle, 12-minute candle actually, because I said so, and that's all. Yeah, so next time probably I'm going to be ending the stream a little bit earlier, because it's already 3 p.m. in USA. Yup, so that's why better to end it earlier next time, because I believe after 10 p.m. or so there is not much volume over there. There is not much volume. Volume is getting choppier and slower. Alright, so 12 minutes left. Just 12 minutes left. Oh wow, look at this candle moving nicely. So if this candle closed below, but now we have an issue right here, which is oh, it's still 100 pips. Tough, a little bit tough. Closed below, wick, boom. Yeah, probably price wants to create a support to move to the upside. Probably. This is what I think personally. Unless it closes below this area. If it closes below this area, I believe we have a range. Wow, this is 230 pips on the 15. But on the 30 it looks much less. On the 30 we have a support area right there. Yeah, so a little bit choppy, guys. This candle, there is just 10 minutes left for this candle to close. Let's see. How will it close? Is it going to close away from the range? Otherwise, better to call it a day, of course. Yeah, so I'm used to that. Actually in Friday there is much more volume than that. Much more. Eight, 9 minutes left, I think. Nine, 8 minutes left. Yep, so probably going to wait for this 8 minutes and then call it a day after that. It was a very, very amazing live stream and was very interesting day. Today is Friday. Yep. Oh wow, look at the NQ moving right now. Wow, interesting. Very, very interesting. Man, very, very dangerous pair, NQ. NQ is a very, very dangerous pair. Yeah, bro, doesn't look like anything makes sense right there. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Unless this candle, if it closed bullish. So let's see, about 7 minutes left for the candle closure. Just 7 minutes left. What do you guys thinking? People who are still watching now. What do you guys thinking about that? Or you just want to take a trade? I believe you just want to take a trade. Right? Just waiting for the signal. Like addicts. The signal. The signal. No man, it's actually better not to wait for signals, and you should depend on yourself. Like this live stream now, to learn to trade by yourself. Alright, about 6 minutes left on the candle. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's breaking now, guys. Oh come on, why it has to break now? I almost want to call it a day. Almost. Wanted to call it a day without taking any trades, to be honest. Yep, so I think if it closed below this area, probably gonna give it a chance. Probably. Haha. Yeah, I caught you guys. I think I caught you right there. Red-handed. Yeah, it's fine, bro, but yeah, be careful, just manage your risk accordingly, and yeah, careful. It's much better to not take a trade, I'm telling you right now. Much better. Much better. Because I was in your place, like for a long time. I was in your place. This was many years ago, around 2-3 years ago. I was in your place. Yeah, that was nice actually. It's not bad. Not bad. But just in case we didn't take anything, just don't be sad, you know. This is the real trading, is that you should take less trades, less and less, and wait for the next setup, wait for tomorrow, wait for after tomorrow. Yes, the more you are patient, the more it's more likely to work out. Exactly. So as I said, I was waiting for something like this candle right here, this green candle. Actually, if we can get something like this, it's looking good to go to the upside. Otherwise, if we didn't get this, yeah, I don't think it is a nice idea to jump into something Let me check my forex factory. Oh wow, it looks like it's going to close inside the range, guys. It looks like it's going to close inside the range. Yep, it's a tough one. A little bit tough one. So better not to force anything today. Yeah man, I think I'm just going to call it a day in 2 minutes, because I said so. So in 2 minutes, not any longer than that. I believe we can get something next week. Next week on Monday, there is plenty of opportunity, guys. There is plenty of opportunities every single day. So it will not make sense to just force something, force a trade or something, you know. So it's just better to wait for the best setup and not to force anything. Oh wow, is it going to close below? Oh wow. Oh wow, it's breaking now. It is breaking, guys. On the last 1-2 minutes, it's breaking. So are we gonna take this? Are we going to take this? Oh wow, it's breaking. It's breaking a lot now. How many pips is that? Oh, 200 pips. That's a big number of pips, guys. And there is clear move below. Man, how do you know there is a clear move below? How? It's a clean range, not a clean move. No one knows if it will be a clean move or no. It's a clean range. And there is only 1 minute left on the candle. Ah, look, it's coming back now. It's coming back in the range. I guess you will not feed yourself today. I know you are scratching like a junkie. Oh wow! Oh my gosh, it's closed inside. Oh no, guys. Oh no. It closed inside the range. Man, what are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do? Oh wow, it just closed inside the range and there is clear move below. Yes, I agree with you, there is a clear move below, but it didn't close below. You can see here that it didn't close below. We need some sort of a closure like this green candle. Look at this green candle. Alright guys, because I said I'm gonna call it, yeah, I'm gonna call it here. If you can see something similar like this candle, you can take the trade. Otherwise, believe me, just stay away from the chart, stay away from the terminal, don't force anything. I am warning you now. I am warning you guys not to take anything reckless, because today is Friday and it is a very, very dangerous day. Keep your addicting mentality away from this. Listen to me, I came to you from the future. From where? From the future. I came to you to help you with your Gambling addiction. Alright? Sure. Yes, man, you too have a great weekend. It was amazing live stream. That was pretty much for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and adios.